So in this tutorial we're going to have a look at how to apply transitions. So here I have two sequences of video and one image, and I'd like a transition in this area here between the first piece of video and the second. So I'm just going to zoom in on the timeline a little, make sure I'm lined up with the cursor there. I'm going to go to this effects panel here, and we can see that I've opened up video transitions and I've opened up the dissolve menu. These are the areas of transition that you're most likely to need. Now to apply the transition, I left click and hold, drag across, and I can now deposit that transition, and then go with the mouse and you can see it has appeared on the timeline. Because it's a cross dissolve, notice that we can see here that the two images have been blended. If I just click back through to the beginning, you can see here that that will change over time. Again, if I scroll through that quite slowly, you can see that that change fades the two pieces together. Now to change the length of transition, I can hover my mouse near the edge and open it up like so, so the transition will now take place over a longer period of time. I'm just going to highlight it and delete it and show the sequence forward dip to black. Same process, but this time it dips through black. Now, one thing to watch out for. Let me just zoom in on this area here. Sometimes when we drag in a transition, it doesn't want to cross over. So in this instance, it's trying desperately to stay to the left of the hand of the clip. Don't worry about that. That does happen sometimes, depending on whether we're at the end or beginning of a piece of footage in terms of the source. You may get an error message. Click on OK. The software works out the best way to resolve that issue and will still give you the effect of the cross dissolve in this instance, or a dip through black. So don't spend too long trying to make a transition overlap if it doesn't want to. Just trust the program to sort out the problem for you. So that's how to apply transitions.